Hey guys, today we're going to review a piece of hardware which will help you add additional hard drives in your motherboard. And also it comes handy when your motherboard SATA ports fail for some reason. So in my case, I had pretty much like 8 hard drives, and I didn't want to add more. And I also noticed one of the SATA port is not working fine. So the option I have is I just had to add 2 more hard drives, so I picked up this card in Amazon. I'll post the links below. So about all the cards I see, this card has good features. It has the latest chipsets, and it also comes in a better price. I paid like 1799 INR. Okay, and this is the model I chose. It's 2 SATA 3 ports. Okay, let's look at the card. You get a standard bracket for this card and one SATA cable. There's the card itself. Now we can see the chipset. Okay, the regular 2 SATA ports. Okay, this goes to the Razer ports of the motherboard. Well, let me try this and post my feedback about it, how this fares and what are the speeds we get compared to the ones built in the motherboard itself. Thanks for watching.